Good morning everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for watching my other video on BMW M performance muffler installation and rear diffuser installation. After having BMW M performance muffler installation, we found that 80mm muffler tips, they don't look so good on rear diffuser, which is, you know, a dual tip diffuser. So I ordered a dual tip exhaust tip that can fit well on 80mm outlet of my muffler. So I'm gonna take my car to a mechanic and we're just going to get that tip installed. So stay tuned with us. Looks meaner. It looks real nice, and carbon fiber blends in pretty good.
Beautifully.
It looks beautiful, man. Good. Nice.